Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record an audio on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the browse button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should click on the plus icon in the right side and tap on record audio, which is the fourth option. After that, you should tap the button down below to begin your audio recording. So click on the red button and start speaking. If you are done with it, your audio recording can be stopped by tapping on this button down below again. Now you have paused it, but if you are done, click on the done button. Here you can listen to it by tapping on this play button down below. And if you are satisfied with it, click on the save recording button. And as you can see, it has been uploaded. You can move it to your folder by tapping on the three dots icon, clicking on the move or copy button, and then tap on move here after selecting the folder to which you want to insert this new document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.